Affiliate Engine AI. It's a brand new chat GPT powered app that helps you build websites. Not only helps you build, also manages it and updates it for you on autopilot. So, sounds too good to be true. So, let's have a look. If you click on the link below this video, you'll be taken to a page like this. That's my bonus page. So, let's have a look and see generally what is this all about. This software helps you build unlimited number of sites. It's totally done for you. The whole setup is done by AI, and you'll see I will be attaching a full demo video from the vendor about this, so you can check that out, how easy it is to build these sites. And you can also promote these sites very easily on various places. So let's have a look what kind of earnings you could get if you are trying to promote these kind of sites. If you go to Fiverr, you can see people are charging crazy amount of money for all of this, like $80, $100, $80. You can see one guy's even charging $2,000. It's so easy to build these sites if you have a look with this software. So let's continue from there. So you can easily charge this kind of money to clients for building their sites. So let's have a look. Let's go ahead and see. Done for you sites are there. We'll also have a look at the funnel, what all other one-time offers you see when you buy this. So the front end of this is $17, and then you have various other upsells, which are 57, 67, 97. We'll see also what you get in each of these. So have a look at this. But first, I'll tell you about my bonuses if you do pick it up with my link. If you click on the link below, you'll be taken to this page. And if you click on any of these orange buttons, you can get my bonuses as well. So first and foremost, access to my private coaching group. So you'll get access to this valued at $497. And I've had thousands of dollars in commissions from affiliate marketing. So I could help you out with that if you're just getting started or you're struggling with something. And also social media course, which is again valued at $197. How to build your following on places like Instagram, Facebook, etc. And also one-on-one session with me if you're within the first 5. Total bonus package $694 plus $197. So that's it. If you are within the first 5, you'll also get the third bonus. Okay. So let's have a look and see what all you get with these one-time offers. So the front end is $17, and you have different types of one-time offers, 57, 67, etc. So for the first front-end version, which is $17, you get a lot of features here. You can have a look at this. Auto-generated content. Your content is auto-generated, copyright-free content, all generated by AI. You can put affiliate links on all of these sites. You can do pop-ups. You can make these sites for others as well. Your articles are all self-populated by RSS feeds, etc. You can have a look at all of this. Then the first upsell is $57. You can create unlimited sites. So the previous one has a little bit of curtailing, but the upgrades have, you can get unlimited version, then unlimited traffic is the next upsell. Then done for you engine. Also have a look and see what all you get for each of the upsell if you're interested. These are the features out here, the various kind of features here for each one. Finally, you have the reseller rights. Also, if you want to sell this product, if you like this product and you want to sell it, as an affiliate also, you can get 100% commissions and also with some of these one-time offers. So we'll also have a look at the sales page, what all you get, what you can see in the sales page. So if you click any of these orange buttons, you'll be taken to a sales page like this. Yeah, so it's going live on 21st of November. If you go to the sales page, you can see the video out here. Presently, it's just showing 14.97, but I think it's going to be about 17. You have a look and see if it is 14.97, even better. You get it at a cheaper rate. Also, it has a 30-day money back guarantee. So you don't lose anything in case you find that it's not for you. You can also return this and get your money back as such. Okay. And it talks about 3 steps. First step, login. Second step, choose your niche and populate the software. And I find you can profit from all of your efforts. Okay. So you do not need no web design. You don't need content write or publish. All can be done on autopilot for you. Okay, so let's have a look at something else. So if you pick it up with my links, you'll get these bonuses. How do you pick up these bonuses is, as it's a Warrior Plus product, when you purchase it, you will get access to these bonuses here. Or you can send me an email on this email address and I'll get back to you on this. So I think it's a pretty good software to try out if you're interested in building websites and even maybe possibly selling that, or even for yourself. Okay, even if you want to build them for yourself and get affiliate commissions for that, you can also do that. And now I will be attaching the demo video from the vendor and have a look at that. So it will give you a full insight into the back end of this product. So have a look at that.
Hey there, welcome to Affiliate Engine AI. the world's first ChatGPT 5-powered app that builds, ranks, and runs profitable affiliate sites in any niche in just 60 seconds flat. Let's take a quick look inside. Once you log in, you'll land right on your personal affiliate engine dashboard, your complete control center for managing everything in one place. Right up top, you'll see a quick snapshot of your performance: total articles, total videos, leads captured, and total views for the month. It's your instant overview of how your business is performing. Just below that, you'll find the top 10 trending section, showing your best performing articles and videos this week, so you always know what's hot and what's working. Scroll a little further to see quick links, add articles, add videos, create ad campaigns, or grab your affiliate link, all just one click away. Pretty awesome, right? Next, head over to themes. This is where the magic begins. Choose from dozens of professional niche-based designs: fitness, crypto, travel, gaming, food, tech, AI, and more, built to rank fast on Google and convert visitors into buyers. Just pick one that matches your passion and click activate. In seconds, your site is live with a stunning layout. Everything done for you in one click. No coding, no design, no writing. And yes, these sites are 100% self-updating, work in any language or device, and come with zero hosting or domain fees. Now, let's add some content to your site. Go to Site Content, and you'll see two sections: videos and articles. Start with videos, go to Category, create a new one, then move to Viral Page. Select your category, choose your source, YouTube or Dailymotion, and just enter a keyword or URL. The system instantly pulls hundreds of trending videos. Choose the ones you like, click Add Videos, and boom, they're published on your site, ready to drive traffic and commissions. Under Tags, add relevant tags to make your video pages even more SEO friendly. That's cool, isn't it? Now for articles, click Add New Article, and choose whether to create manually or from content provider. In manual mode, enter a keyword and hit Generate. The AI instantly creates a complete article title and description. You can spin or edit the text, add images, choose a category, add tags, upload your article image, then click Add Article. Or use Content Provider to pull trending posts directly from top sources with one click. Just enter a keyword, preview, and publish unlimited articles instantly. That's how fast you can fill your site with fresh, SEO-optimized, human-like content. Now that your site's ready, let's put everything on autopilot. Click Automation, then add New Automation. Enter the name, choose the type, article or video, select category, source, RSS URL, and keyword. Set your frequency type hourly, weekly, or monthly. Define the number of posts and duration. Once done, hit Apply. From now on, Affiliate Engine AI will automatically fetch and post fresh content, keeping your sites updated, ranked, and relevant 24/7 without you lifting a finger. That's powerful automation, right? Next, let's bring in traffic. Under Get Traffic, you'll find social campaigns and SEO settings. With social campaigns, you can share your content across major platforms like LinkedIn, Reddit, Twitter, and Blogger. Just set your schedule and click Publish. Your posts go live automatically, bringing visitors to your site on complete autopilot. Move to SEO settings. This is where you optimize your site for Google. Add your meta title, keyword, and description, or simply let AI generate them for you. Even preview how your site looks on search engines, all right inside your dashboard. No need for extra plugins. Everything is built in. Now let's turn that traffic into profit. Click Monetization, then add New Campaign. Give it a name and choose from 100 plus high-converting pop-up templates. Customize text, image, colors, triggers. Choose how and when they appear: on scroll, on delay, on landing, or on exit. Set scroll percentage, entry and exit animation, and frequency limits. Select which page to display on, schedule your campaign, and once done, click Publish and activate. Boom! Your site now displays eye-catching pop-ups that capture leads and boost conversions automatically. You can promote hot affiliate offers from ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, Amazon, Digistore, and more. Monetize with banners, ads, videos, and even your own products, creating multiple income streams from one site. Every lead your web form captures goes straight into your list section, where you can manage, segment, and connect them with your autoresponder. You can view leads, export data, or sync with your CRM. Affiliate Engine AI keeps everything organized and ready for follow-up. Under Stats, Analyze your performance with detailed reports for videos, articles, and social campaigns. See engagement, locations, devices, technology, and conversion data in real time. It's like having a built-in analytics dashboard that tells you exactly what's performing best. Go to integrations to connect your autoresponder, CRM, webinar, or even OpenAI. Simply paste the API key, and you're good to go. In settings, you'll find options for SMO, web form, sliders, legal pages, cookie consent, team management SMTP, and more. Everything you need to brand and customize your business your way. Now the best part, let's visit your live affiliate site. Click your website name on top, and boom, your live site opens instantly. A stunning professional affiliate site, packed with AI-generated content, offers, blogs, and automation. It's mobile-friendly, multi-language, and ready to start earning from day one. You can flip these sites for instant $497 to $997 payments, or keep them running for long-term passive income that grows while you sleep. And that's how easy it is to build, rank, and run your own self-updating affiliate empire with Affiliate Engine AI. Log in, choose your niche. Let AI build, automate, and grow everything for you, completely hands-free. Welcome to the future of affiliate marketing, where AI does the work and you collect the commission.